How many of you are currently already real estate investors doing deals? Raise them high so I can see them. Great, thank you. How many realtors in the room? Excellent. Mortgage brokers? 2, great. CPAs? Okay.
Police? Attorney General?
Okay, how many of you are doing rehabs? No rehabbers. Couple rehabbers. How many are doing wholesale deals? Okay, excellent. And how about landlords? Excellent. Okay, good. Gives us a good idea of who's in the room.
No
Did we miss
attorneys,
anybody?
right? No attorneys?
No attorneys? Yeah, that's a bummer. I'm going to have to pull this back so he can see. Can you see past us? Yeah. Okay, good. All right. Excellent. Okay. How many of you have never heard us speak before? Great. That's fantastic. Okay. We're going to put this right out on the table from the very beginning. This is not what we do as our profession. Okay? So we are not professional speakers that have been trained to come up here and talk to you, okay? We do this out of the passion that we have for giving back. John and I have been in the business for over 20 years, have been very successful at what we've done, and created some very awesome systems that are now being copied by a lot of gurus. So, we're here because Tim has asked us to be here to help you, and we have a lot to share with you today. So, what I'd like to do is tell you a little bit about our story so that you know who we are, and hopefully you can relate. I was in the medical field for 24 years, absolutely loved my job, never in a million years would have thought that I would end up being in real estate, because I figured I was going to retire as an orthopedic technician and personal assistant to my boss. I figured that was, I did 24 years, I figured I was going to be there another 25 or 30 more. But John, as he didn't like his job, and he'll tell you his story, and I got to the point where John was bugging the heck out of me, wanting me to work with him in the real estate business. And I said, I really don't want to. I enjoy what I'm doing. And he kind of made me feel guilty, so I very quickly realized that I probably needed to at least do part-time. So I did. I went part-time for a very short period of time. It only took about about 4 weeks. And I found out something very quickly after that 4 weeks. What do you think it was? I liked real estate. What else? Made more money. I was making a lot of money, but making more money in real estate. What else?
Your own hours.
Own hours? Yes. Freedom. My time freedom. Even though I was working, it was time freedom. I could go and do what I wanted when I wanted. I pretty much had that certain days of the week when I worked, but most of the days I was in the OR or seeing patients. So, and I was also the personal assistant. So I got to fly to Hyannisport to his house, to Florida to his house, and take care of getting all his parties organized. So I had an awesome job. Got to pick his cars, just loved my job. But once I got the taste of the freedom, and what's the biggest thing, guys? The biggest thing I found was that I was making him rich. Right? I was making him rich. Instead of helping create wealth for us. So I went back to the boss and said, okay, I'm leaving